Hey, thanks for checking in a WeatherBug on a Thursday. Tom Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We're talking about another storm bringing with it some heavy snowfall potential and also some severe weather potential. And that coming up over the next few days. We have a couple of systems sitting in the western part of the country, which will be moving east, one at two different times, but we'll be talking about that. Look at how cold it is to the far north. So still plenty cold as we near the winter solstice in a couple of days. And of course, next week is already Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. But we've been seeing some pretty warm conditions in the midsection of the nation. In fact, a number of record highs yesterday, including Denver, 68 degrees. Record high yesterday, 25 degrees above average. Today, that warmth shifts off to the east a little bit, starting to note some cooling taking place across the high plains and the northern Rockies. Just a little surge of that colder air now, then heading into the weekend, a bigger surge of that colder air post-storm system. Then looking out through next week, Christmas Eve to December 28th, we have much colder conditions that will be setting up over the Great Lakes region. All right, winter weather concerns from late today through early Friday. From Kansas City, Missouri to Des Moines and out near Madison, Wisconsin, those are freezing rain advisories, so a little icing taking place. And if you have any travel plans during that time frame, do be advised of that. Some winter weather headlines from the high plains to the, say, Intermountain West as, again, those two storm systems begin to take shape. The more pronounced one is this area of low pressure sitting just south and west of San Francisco. As that low begins to shift out into the plains, watch what happens. Notice how it intensifies. Some green, yellows, and reds. That's heavy rainfall and then some heavy snow on its northwestern flank. And we're talking about, again, a pretty significant wave of heavy snowfall that'll be developing. But heavy rainfall, maybe even some flooding at this point in December is quite amazing. And there's your severe threat even for Saturday. We'll keep you up to date.